And it begins here in Ohio, Foxconn, with INDI EV as a new spokesperson. I really do like the vehicle. I've actually been filming them for, it seems like a year now. And now, I'm a part of it. Yeah, this is gonna be cool. Foxconn. This is the podium that I'm about to speak at. This is the INDI ONE vehicle that I'm about to talk about. This actually has a PC inside of it. Absolutely nuts. And then these are the 550 chairs that will be filled in a little bit. So to give you an idea, this is going to be my vantage point. We are starting soon. The crowd is forming. I'm excited. Well, we just spoke and it was a lot of fun. We have lots and lots of people here. Look at all that. It's crazy. The news is right here. Hello, news. And more interviews to come, but a very fun time introducing the INDI ONE by INDI EV. A lot of interest around the INDI ONE with its integrated computer inside. Like you can actually have Microsoft Windows playing on this dual screen system. Notice that? Dual screens, VR. You can use DaVinci Resolve if you like, and all these people are so excited to have the pre-production being built here at Foxconn.
And that's a wrap. We're gonna go get some food.
Yes, we had a good time. INDI EV in the house. Yeah.
Bye, Foxconn.
Bye, Foxconn. Hello, food.